I think my corn and beans are big enough that I can put them out in the pot where I was going to put them. So let's get started. I also have some lettuce seeds that I want to get planted. And I will show you me planting some of those and show you where I put them. I brought my amaryllis out so they could enjoy the summer. And here I'm putting some compost in a container to take over to where I'm going to plant the corn and beans. Okay, here's the container. Months ago, well, when frost was gone, I planted corn and beans in here. I see one bean came up and one little corn stalk out of bunches that I put in there. So this needed to be replanted. And, okay, put bone meal, no, blood meal, and general fertilizer in there, then the compost, and then I'm mushing it all in, combining it. Excuse my finger over part of the lens. When I was recording, I didn't realize it was there, but obviously it was. That's what happens sometimes. It's hard to look at what you're doing and look at the camera lens at the same time. And sometimes things happen. Okay, I'm getting that all prepared, and then I'm going to put in, yep, they're empty. I got them all put in. They didn't all fit in this container, so I put part of them in the container next to them. There's some purslane in there too. So corn and beans. And excuse the loud lawnmower because hubby is mowing the lawn, so I hope you can hear me talking. I have some little plants coming up in this ceramic pot, and look what I'm going to have. Tomatoes. I have a tomato blooming. Now, I don't know if these are determinate or indeterminate. I lost the tag, so I'm not going to be pruning them. Lettuce is going to go in here. This is the Cos lettuce that's going in here. Excuse me, coughing. I sprinkled them in and then just barely moving the soil to kind of cover them. The lettuce needs light in order to germinate. So light it will get. And here's some more of hubby mowing the lawn. Bless his heart, he loves keeping his lawn beautiful. This is some petunias that I took starts from. And I'll have to show you how to do that. But not today. Changed my mind, I will tell you today. I cut small twig parts of the petunia off, stripped the bottom leaves, and then put it in rooting powder and stuck it in the ground. That's all there is to it. There's a piece of thyme in there too. I moved my eagle from one side of the lawn over to where the corn is so that I don't have to worry, well, hopefully not worry about birds trying to eat my corn. And this is where the brown-seeded Simpson lettuce got planted. And I wanted an arbor, so I kind of did a makeshift one. Those are fake flowers. and some cloth around, just a hoop that I put together from, it's actually a hula hoop, and then fastened it to some tall sticks. So that was the bit of work that I got done in my garden today. I hope you enjoyed it. A lesson for gardening: use what you have, do what you can, always. May the good Lord surround you with His love and blessings, always, for that too. And I will see you on my next video.